YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna learn Oracle Apex. Okay, so we will be moving towards the agenda here. So before starting in, I will be walking you with the quick agenda here. So from introduction to the home page and navigations, what are the items we are using, the page items and the collections, about the Apex we'll be learning. So first beginning with Oracle Apex. So first of all, what is an Oracle Apex? So Oracle Apex, it is a tool which helps us to create the application, the backend and front end of the application. Also, this is a platform where we can able to create an application with a less code, meaning that low code. It is a low code platform, meaning we can able to design an application with a less code of 2 to 3 lines. It is an enterprise low-code platform, scalable apps, secureable. So scalable means it supports multiple platforms. Secure apps means it is safe and it is protected from any user or cyber securities. And it is enterprise app useful for bankings in all sectors, etc. So Apex stores all our app settings as a metadata. So beginning with the Oracle Apex architecture. So first, if the user enters the URL, the browser sends this to the odds and then the odds, the Apex engine. This is here. The Apex engine, the metadata in the tables allow us to show the data. Okay. The Apex engine move to the Oracle database and then it flows. So this is the flow of the Oracle Apex. So the URL is sent to the odds. That is the next. It will be moving to the Apex engine. Here, this is where the metadata will be stored, and then it will send back again to the Oracle database itself. Okay. Now let's begin with the workspace. So if you log into workspace means you can able to see here at the top Apex, and I have created my ID. So all these are known as workspace. So this is where we will be able to create our apps here. So beginning with it, first, what is a menu bar? Menu bar means in Oracle Apex you can able to see four important one. They are app builder, SQL workshop, team development and gallery. Okay, all these are important menu bars. So next to the four items and the app builder, workshop and team development and gallery, you can able to see search. This is a global search where you can able to search the apps here, apps number. So here this is the administration symbol where you can able to monitor your dashboards or change your password or manage services. On this question mark, like this is known as documentation. Documentation means here you can able to, if you click on it means it will be open to a documentation where you can able to learn whole Apex about all each and everything about the Apex. So this is like a document. So at the last you can able to see about the user. Here you can able to change the theme, or you can be able to change your workspace here. So this is all about the work menu bar. So next we are gonna move to the important features of menu bar. So first, if I click on app builder means you can able to see, click create. Okay, if I click that create means it will move to you to the next page. So these are the apps which I have already created. So all these are the sample charts, all these are I have downloaded from the gallery here. Okay, so if you in app builder, you if you click on create means you can able to see this page. So after this you have to click the create button. So this is where your page opens. So if you click on create means next you will be see. Also I want to, if you click on create means new page will be opening. Okay, the page name, page number, all this will be asked. So after clicking create means you can able to choose a page like this. First you can able to choose blank page. In that blank page you can able to modify all this. Okay, so next, about the home page buttons and navigation. So home page buttons and navigation includes create, import, dashboard and workspace utilities. So first, this is the search icon, and here this is where you can able to type any text, and then this is the go where you can able to see view report, and view icons is where you can able to, in view report means you can able to see only as report format. Icons means like this. So in this app I'm having this icon, right? So like this you will be able to see here. So this is all about the view icons. Actions means you can able to sort like that. Next, create means here you will be creating. Importing and exporting means here you can also able to import and export your files. Dashboard is how many you have created, how many tables you have created. Workspace utilities means here you can able to build your REST APIs. Okay, so this is how you have to choose your page types. And next, coming to the share components. Share components are mostly very important in Apex. So they are reusable, meaning that in whole application you can able to reuse it. Like they includes templates, LOV, list of values, navigation menus, validations, authorizations, schemas, and more on. So type of shared components. They are of application items means they are globally accessible throughout the whole application. LOV means list of values, pop-up LOV. When the validation is not successful, we will be using this as we will be creating a LOV chat components, and then you will be validating it. Next, templates, as you all know, templates means it is for the layout. Okay, next, navigation menu and breadcrumb means it is a consistent navigation across the app. Authentication and authorization, these are the main important part. Authentication is who the user is. Authorization is what all pages they have access with, the user control access. Validations means their rules. Validation means it is a mandatory. So for let me tell an instance. So validation means in phone field, if I enter number means it should restrict, right? So these are known as validation. Computation, it is like a calculation. Dynamic action means triggers. Okay, well, by using a JS JavaScript you can able to process this dynamic action. So for instance, let me tell you, we can also able to hide, enable, disable. Also you can able to refresh the page. So for this you will be using the dynamic action. Process means if you have the entered the data in the field, but then after again if you refresh means if the all the data should get refreshed. So for this you will be using the process. Static files and images means here you can able to upload the files here. Okay, like the files can be of CSS, JS, like that. So next we will be moving to the home sidebar. At the side, you can able to see the sample charts, Apex PW reference, sample documents, ID card, etc. Also, you can able to see the edit application definition button here. Okay, the edit application definition button helps us to view the application name, or you can able to change the application name like that. If you want to change your application name means in chat components navigation, you can able to change it. Next, running a page. Running a page you can able to run it in of two modes. So first one is this way, another one is this is both the runnings are same. So this is the sample application where which I have built. So if I run this application means you can able to see the modules here. So what is dynamic action? So first this is the page. In page you can able to see these four types. So these are the processing which you'll be using. So this is known as dynamic action. This is for validations, and this is for processing and branches, and this is for shared components. So dynamic action, as I have told, you can able to create action in a page using the JS. Also it helps us to react to the user. Page processing means so I told if the whole page runs like an action, like saving the data, refreshing, like that. Computation means it is a something like a calculations. Validation means check whether the user data is matching or not. Okay, so next, branches means if I click on submit means it should know where in which page next the user has to move, right? So that is known as branches. So next, static content means it is a content which does not change. Okay, it remains the same. Dynamic content means here it changes on data. Okay, static means does not change, dynamic means it changes. So this is the sample application which I have built. So in module responsibility, so this is an interactive report. Interactive report means here you can able to see this action. Okay, so it is in the form of a report, right? Here you cannot able to edit it. Okay, so here you can able to see. Here I have given the pencil icon. In the region I have given the attributes. I have choose this icon, and then I have created it. Also for the empty dates I have given the spaces to be of colon. Next, if I click on create means the user will be moving to this page. So if I click on this edit button means here you can able to see modules, organization. All these are known as regions. So these are known as breadcrumbs. So these are known as buttons. Okay, if I use hot means it will be of bright color. If I don't use hot for the button means it will be of low color. So these are known as regions. In regions only I have given it of text form. Okay, so these are known as I have given it as page item. All these are known as page item. So first one, this is a breadcrumb, button, region, page items. Okay, this is how you will be using it. So in region, in the page, these are known as page item. In page item, you can able to select date pickers or time cards, every whatever you want, you can able to use it. So wizard. In this method, I have used in the second step. I have used as the wizard. Wizard means it is the step-by-step guidance where the user have to go. If the first the user has to register means next what they have to do, like that guiding. Okay, so wizard how it will be looking like means, so this is how the wizard looks like 1 2 3, next page it will be connected. Okay, so this is the wizard page. Same here, this is the breadcrumb. If you want to change this means in navigation you can able to change it. Chat components. Next, this is the button, and this is the wizard page. Wizard page means while choosing the page you have to click here. While you here for wizard page you have to click only wizard. Okay, you should not give blank page, then only the wizard page will be created. So next, again the same, this is the region, and all these are known as page items. Okay, if I want to give this asterisk means you can able to change it. Also you can able to change the template of it. So next I'm moving to the next page. Okay, so next page is second page. So after completing the responsibility, the next page is like this. So after this, here also you will be having the buttons here. Okay, so next page is this one. So this is the report page. So interactive grid. Okay, so interactive grid means where you can able to edit it. Okay, sorry, you cannot able to edit it. So this is the page, and here you can able to see by clicking it, you can able to see sort a lot. Also if you don't want this action also, you can able to hide it in the responsibilities. So these are all about the wizard page. So at last this is the responsibilities as users page. So this is something which I have created. So interactive report, as I have told, the user can able to do the crude operations. Okay, this is the interactive report. So see here, you can able to see, you can able to hide your columns. In columns you click means if you don't want any columns means you can also able to hide it. And next, filtering the data, you can able to filter the data. And formatting, chart, group, report, download, you can able to download it. After adjusting the column you have to save the report. Okay, so this is known as interactive report, and this is the interactive grid. So interactive grid means the users can view, edit on the screen. Sorry, in report only the user cannot able to edit it, but in interactive grid means they can able to edit it. Okay, sorry, I said wrongly. So next we'll be moving to charts. So charts means it includes area, bar, box plot, bubble, combination, dashboards, event drops, funnel, line, so all this. So next we'll be moving to breadcrumb. Breadcrumb means, as I have told, these are known as breadcrumbs. Okay, so breadcrumb means it is for navigation where the user has to go. So for instance, let you know. So breadcrumb is here you can able to see the home. After if the user is in the responsibilities as menu means they want to go to home means here they will be clicking home. Okay, so this is known as breadcrumb. Okay, so which helping them where they are and how to go back. So region is what this the middle part. Okay, region, it is a mandatory one here which is contains the functionality. Page items means it is like a page or text box, date picker, a drop down picker. So all these are known as page items. Page items means page. Here all this organization, division, number, application, all these are known as page items. Okay, so next one we will be moving to buttons. Button means it is the clickable. Moving to next where we have to go how like this. Okay, so REST API. REST API means it is the way for connecting the two application communication for sharing the files or anything. Odds means it is an Oracle REST data service. Okay, it helps us to turn the Oracle database into a web service using the REST API. Collection means it is like a temporary memory. Okay, for the user session. LOV means it is the list of values where we will be creating the LOV like static and dynamic LOV, and we will be making it to a radio group or checkbox, etc. So the radio groups, all these are belongs to where page items. Application items means they are globally accessible throughout the global variables. Also here the difference between the navigations and breadcrumb means that breadcrumb wait for the only this application. Navigation means, wait, I will let you know, this is the most important one. So in this page, the breadcrumb is this, right? So home, responsibility, guiding the user where to go. The navigation means all these are known as navigation, home, organization, the whole page. Okay, this is for the page. Okay, this is inside the page. Okay, know this difference. So application items means they are globally accessible. Computation means they are automatic calculation. Navigation means how the user should move from one page to another. So next, UI interface means, as the name suggests, UI means that is the user interface. It helps us to give the themes, the overall design, templates, navigation, etc. Data load means you can also able to load the data here. Okay, so wait, in sorry, let me show you. So here in SQL workshop, if you click on utilities, there you can able to see import and export data. Okay, there you can also able to import and export your data loaded. And SQL workshop where we will be using the tutorials for the SQL database where we will be writing the commands and testing, and also you'll be creating a table there. And also you can able to create a private workspace there. Security is the authentication, who the user, and login authentication, who the user, what all the authentication, who the user. Authorization means permissions. Okay, so user login belongs to the authentication. What user can access means it is authorization. Role based styles means they are the cards or blocks. Collections means, as I have told, it is a temporary memory. So what are the new features? Some of the new features are drag and drop page designer. Okay. Also a new feature of version 24. So in this version we are using 24 23 something. So new version, responsive template, role based, etc. will be using. And interactive components means they are of interactive grids and reports. Security authorization, SSO, advanced authorization schemas. Okay, all these are we will be using. Next, mobile accessibility. So I hope now you all understood and you had an idea about what is Oracle Apex. So in the next tutorial I will be walking you through the application, like how to create an application. So what all features we will be having in Oracle Apex. So I hope now you understood, and thank you guys for your attention till now. I hope you understood. Thank you.